CES 2019. We're here at the Sengled booth. We're going to talk about floodlights. We're going to talk about 100-watt equivalent lights, and we're going to do that next on Geekazine. We're here with Robert from Sengled. You've got two products that both of these are CES Innovation Awards?
Exactly, yes. Okay. So this year we are showing quite a few products on the table right now, and these two are winning us the Innovation Award honoree. And this one is a 100-watt equivalent smart LED bulb. This is the first in this category. So one thing we realized that a lot of people have like high ceiling rooms, like family rooms, 2-story high, and a traditional 65-watt equivalent is not bright enough.
Not good enough, yeah.
This one is 1500 lumens.
Okay.
So that's the one.
And 100 watt, equivalent to 100 watts, but how many watts is it?
14.5.
Okay.
Yep. So, and if you touch the bulb itself, it's still cool enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you should be able to take it out and put it in at a moment's notice.
Correct.
All right. And the other one?
This one is what we call the smart LED bulb with a motion sensor. Okay. So as you can see, this is the traditional floodlight you can use outdoors, so that you don't need to change the light fixture itself. You just twist it in. You have a smart LED bulbs. And also in the middle, you have a PIR motion sensor. So what's special about it is you can program this one to turn it on, right? When people are walking by, trigger this motion sensor, you can turn on the rest of the house. For example,
so I could have it would turn that on, and then like maybe 5 seconds later, the kitchen light would turn on. Correct. So as I'm making my progression into the house, it will turn on lights for me.
It can both give people the warm welcome when the people go home, or can, if you have like intruders going around your house, it can scare people away.
Yeah, so it'll simulate if the kitchen lights turn on, then they're thinking somebody's at home.
Exactly, yep.
So are these out now, or?
This one is already out, priced $29.99.
Okay.
And this one will be out before the second half of the year, which it will be like $20. Okay.
And I'm assuming you need the hub for both of them to work.
Correct. We have Zigbee hubs to power both.
And how much are the hubs?
The hubs will be typically about $15, $20.
Okay. So ultimately about $70 for both of them to get your house lit and ready for any issue.
Correct. Exactly. Yep.
Oh, perfect. So where do people go for more information?
You can go to sengled.com, sengled.com, or go to amazon.com to search for our products. And we also have products in Best Buy.
All right, perfect. Well, Robert, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
So that's everything over at Geekazine CES 2019. You can go over to youtube.com/Geekazine. You can go over to geekazine.com, like, subscribe, comment. Once I get these, I'll do a full review, and then we'll go from there. Of course, we've done some reviews of Sengled lights before, so go into the archives to check that out. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, you guys. I can't do. They'll do it this way. Geek out. Take care.